Firstly, we've got to take these two screws out. Now this cover will slide off like so. This rubber square, remove that. So when you buy this lock, these batteries will be in a plastic sleeve. You need to take that out, remove the sleeve, pop them back in, same orientation. This is already done. We're going to put the cover back. Alright, so now we're ready to put this around our bike. Put the cable around our bike. We're going to connect it up. You'll hear a beep, which means it's active. That beep means it's active. If this gets cut, the alarm will sound. The vibration alarm is not on. For that, you will need to press this button here. Okay. That was your warning. If the vibration alarm gets disturbed again, the alarm will sound. We do that. Easy.